Alright, what's up, guys? This is the first video I'm gonna make to teach you guys what to base your trades on and how to get information for your trades. When you're trading Bitcoins and Ethereum and Litecoin or whatever cryptocurrency you're trading, you want to be, first of all, you want to be informed about what's going on in the news. You need to know, like, what's going on with their technology, who's trading it, and stuff like this, because that might make it important. If, for example, like these new Ripple coins, they're kind of controversial, but they're being traded by a lot of banks. There's 40 banks in Japan alone who are using Ripple coins. So certain coins are really useful, and that's what gives them value, because people need them. So you always want to, like, keep following the organizations of these cryptocurrencies if you're investing in them. And also, you need to learn to study these charts right here. This is called a candle. And what this means, for example, right here, it says 2 p.m. So at 2 p.m., if you line this up right here, if you look on the right, it says $60. That means at 2 p.m., the lowest amount that Litecoin was traded for was $60. And the highest in that very moment was $60.51. So there's always a pattern. Like, if you look at this line going across right here, you can see that the candles go up and then they come back down, and they go back up and they come back down. But there's kind of like a middle boundary where they always, like, go back to. So this is like the regular, like, flow that it's always gonna come back to. So what a lot of people try to do, they try to figure out at any point on this line if it's gonna go up or down. If you see a trend of it going down, that's usually good news. That means that usually it's gonna go up. But like I said, you need to really study this. Like, you should look at the day, the hour, and also there's this website called WorldCoinIndex.com. Here you can see all types of cryptocurrencies. You see expensive ones, cheap ones, and you could even look at some ICOs on this. And yeah, it basically shows you the main coins. Bitcoin Cash was doing really well from yesterday to today. It opened around like at $300 per coin, and it went all the way to 400, as you can see right here. So yeah, if you would have invested $300 into this, you would have made $100 from in one day per coin. Ethereum has been dropping all day. This could mean two things. This means either you should buy this because whatever goes down must go up. So it could either, right now, it might go back up to about, I would say, like 340, but it could also crash back down to 280, which is also good news. Like, you don't want to spend a lot of money on a bunch of coins all at once. Like, I would say, every time you notice a price change. So yeah, I would say, like, every time you notice a price change, that would be like a good time to buy. Like, for example, let's say you bought some Ethereum at $350, and now today it's gone down to 315, and you kind of notice that it's stabilizing and it's staying at that rate, or starting to go up a little. That would be a good time to buy. I would say, like, buy one. And it's better to be patient with these things sometimes, because sometimes when you get in a rush, you invest too much at the wrong time. And it's better when you take your time. You learn the coin better. You learn the flow, how it fluctuates and all of that kind of stuff. And so yeah, on World Coin Index, you could click on whatever coin, you could search whatever coin. For example, let's just look at this Bitcoin Cash real quick. It's been exciting for the last day. Oh yeah, my internet sucks. I'm using a hotspot right now. I'm at work. So yeah, here comes out. It shows you all the different exchanges and what their last trade price was at. So it's very useful. Here we are. So you could put the last 7 days. Like I said, Bitcoin Cash was doing really well. I remember seeing it at around 300, and yep, in just one day, shot up all the way to 393. And this is the thing with cryptocurrencies too. Like, yeah, you might make $100 today, but like for example, let me pull up a month of this. See, it's been going down for a really long time. So when you see that it's been going down for a while, and it's like like a consecutive pattern. Like, look, this is it shoots up, it goes down. It shoots up a little, it goes down a lot. Shoots up a little, it goes down. It keeps going down a lot. So once you see it's been going down for a while, and it's uh a coin that's being traded that a lot of people are giving value to, then you know that like once you see this little like swoop down here, like a little curve, almost like half a letter U, you already know like what's gonna happen next. It's going up. So okay, other things you can use besides the charts, like I said, you need information. There's this really good website called Investopedia.com. It's a really good like website for people who want to invest in general. But they always talk about coins. Uh, Let me just scroll down real quick, see if I find anything on coins. So yeah, it's a little article about crypto here. It says, does crypto have intrinsic value? It depends. And how does Bitcoin mining work? You have, if anything you don't know that you're like curious about, you should always Google it or like read up on it, inform yourself, because knowledge is what's gonna get you paid. If you're out here not knowing what you're doing, you're gonna lose a lot of money. Like, I started investing coins, I would say about a month ago, and I started with about $2,000, and I lost $800. It's only now, like last in the last week or so, that I've made my money back. So don't rush it, because when you rush, most of the time you're gonna crash. Like, you want to make good, solid trades. So that's about it. Just, if you're gonna invest your money, be smart about it. If you're gonna take a high risk, don't use a lot of money. Cause I'm not gonna tell you not to take risks. Cause people the people who took that risk on Ripple Coin, a lot of them made $50,000 off $1,000 in just 1 year. And you just you have to know what you're comfortable doing. You can't just like put up all your life savings on a mystery. You want to like do take high risks with a little bit of money. And for the big trades, like if you want to like just store your money somewhere safe, I would say trust like one of the big three, like Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Litecoin. And yeah, that's about it. Oh, and also the benefit to trading all these different types of coins, like for example, Bitcoin Cash, it went up 25% in one day. So that means if you wanted to trade, for example, Bitcoin Cash for Bitcoin, you just got 25% more than what you would have gotten in cash with that one trade. So there's a lot of different ways to make money on this. Like, you gotta be versatile with it. And another thing you can do, you could get a mining contract. So yeah, for example, like this website right here, Hashing 24. You can actually take out a contract and mine your own bitcoins, and they actually your coins daily to your wallet, whatever's mined. So yeah, like like I said, like if you're scared to lose a lot of money, don't take a big investment. Look, you can do this as much as $34. This probably won't get you much bitcoins, but it's something. And then whatever you want, you could invest 500, 700, 800, 1,000. And this is a 3-year contract, I believe. They do charge you for electricity, but you could basically pay that with the coins they mine. Just make sure to leave enough in your wallet. And another thing you can do with this, since you're getting daily money, little by little, I would say, well, personally, me, I would take risks with part of that money because it's coming in daily, and you could get rich with some of these new coins, like the ones with like that are worth like 1 satoshi. If 1 satoshi goes to 1 cent, and for those of you who don't know what a satoshi is, it's this right here. It's when you have point 0.00000 10 zeros and a 1. And if let's say you have even like $1,000, and this goes to 1 cent, you will definitely become a millionaire or more. Like this is how a lot of people did it with Bitcoin, with Ripple Coin, and these are the things you gotta always keep an eye out for. But yeah, like I said, like I'm pretty new to this, but I'm learning fast, and so far what I've learned is the more you know, the more money you make. So yeah, that's about it. I'm out. Crypto Capone. Please subscribe. Thank you.